Hi there, welcome to Tina Atlantic. It is breakfast time and my family prefers a healthy lemongrass tea, and we have all the ingredients in our farm. So stay tuned and see how it is done.
This is our lemongrass. So we are going to cut them. Just like this. So this is it. So we are going to wash it, then start boiling it. We have our lemon tree here, so we are going to pluck like 3 of it, 3 lemon for the lemongrass. These are our fresh lemons. We are going to wash it very well, squeeze it and use the juice for the tea. Now we are going to wash the lemons. It doesn't need anything of vinegar or salt or anything. Just a normal water will do. These are the lemons, so we are going to squeeze them now. We are going to wash the lemongrass. We need to wash it very well. So now it's well washed. We are going to now boil it for just 3 minutes. Just 3 minutes. Just now put it in the boiling water. The water is not enough, so I'm adding more of it since it's for the family. So now our ginger, and we are going to just 1 of it, and you see how it looks. Ginger we are going to add to the tea. It's also medicine. We will wash it very well, fresh from the farm. We wash it again. Let's wash it. So this is the lemons, so we cut them. Just be careful when you take off the seed. So here there is much water in them. We remove the rest of the seeds. Add the juice. Now our tea is ready. So we are going to serve it now. Wow, this is our mint and it's very medicinal and it tastes great. Also have a nice flavor. You are invited. It tastes great. You take it without sugar, or you can take it with honey, or take it raw. It's good and unique. So nice and healthy. Cheers. Cheers. Bye bye.